Hey guys, this is David from Breakout Buzz. Today I want to show you a trade that I made within the first few minutes of the market open, and even bought some of this stock pre-market. This is exactly the same stock that we talked about yesterday, and I'm going to try to make it quick. However, there's a super important lesson for you to learn here, and I just want to show you how to make money trading stocks pre-market. So what you do is, obviously, if you have a broker that allows you to buy pre-market stocks, then when you wake up, you should go to check on pre-market stocks. And right now, what you can see here, let me try to show you what's happening. What you can see here is I just went on the website, thestockmarketwatch.com. Okay, this is thestockmarketwatch.com, and there you go. And right there they have a section that says pre-market, and then in the pre-market section, before the market is even open, you can see what stocks are performing good and what stocks are performing bad. So what I did, I just woke up and I realized that my favorite pick from yesterday, KBIO, is still here, and I realized that it's up 28% since yesterday's close. So let's say you buy yesterday at the closing price, if you would have been 28% up on your money in a single day. Now obviously that is really difficult to predict, so it's a much better action to actually check out what's running pre-market, and then what you do, you would eventually go back to your trading platform and you would try to see whether the stock that you're trying to buy is still running or not. Now what I did, I bought a few minutes before pre-market when the stock broke through a super important level, and that super important level was yesterday's highest number that it reached. Okay, that was 367, and when it did break through pre-market, then in that particular point I was convinced that the stock will be able to run, because obviously it's a really good indicator if stocks break previous highs. If they do break previous highs, then obviously what you got to do, you got to look out for them, and that's exactly what I did. I bought pre-market at 380. So as I said, I waited a little bit to be sure that it's not a breakout fake out. So I bought at 380, and then I put a stop loss on it, and exactly as it opened, it went up a little bit, as you can see, all the way to 426, which is pretty amazing, isn't it? And then after that, my stop loss got executed and I sold for 407, which is good, which is 27 cents a share in about a minute. You can see it's 931. The sell was 931. The buy was 928. So that is quite good. 3 minutes, and that's about 6.5%. So this is how you trade a pre-market stock. Now the second thing I want to show you today, and probably that's going to be my last video because I got to run later today. However, the second thing I want to show you today is, as expected, the stock plummeted because the markets are terrible. Plus, it's so high up that people just want to take profits, and when they take profits, the stock just really just goes down and crashes. However, as you can see, around 346, it turned around. You're not doing anything. You're still watching the stock, and then what you would do, you can buy in here and play the risk and get a risk and reward ratio of about 10 cents, 20 cents, considering that if it breaks down below 347, then you would just sell it. However, what I did, I waited for some consolidation, and when I saw that it broke through the previous highs, I was there. I wanted to buy because that was my risk and reward. So I bought at 432. And my risk was about 5 cents because that was the previous high. And as you can see, my gain was a lot more than that. I sold at 452. And that was, again, I bought at 10.02 and I sold at 10.04. So you just got to look out, okay, what you got to look out for? You just got to look out for previous highs that are being broken through. If it's being broken through, then you have a great chance of making money, because there's hype in the market, and then once it breaks through a high price, a higher level that it previously set, then obviously it means that it has strength in it. okay? And all your risk is, to be honest with you, if I bought it here at 432 and if it broke down below 427, I would have sold it. And as you know, as we discussed earlier, if you cut your losses quick, you will have no problem. Currently, this was a good play because both of the times that I played the stock, it went up again. I might consider buying it again. Right now it's 453, 455. However, the current high is 470-ish. So if it breaks through that price level, I might buy it again, and just put a stop loss a little below 470. It's that simple, guys. I hope this makes sense. Thank you.